Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Phantom Wallet mobile app and log into your account. On the home page, you will see all the coins in your wallet. Before purchasing any tokens, ensure you have enough Solana to cover gas fees. If you do not have Solana, tap Solana and select Receive. Here, you will see a QR code and a deposit address. Copy this address and deposit Solana from another wallet or exchange. You can also tap Buy, select Solana, and enter the amount you want to purchase. Press Next and choose a payment method like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. After completing the payment, Solana will be added to your Phantom wallet. Once you have Solana, you can buy meme coins. Tap Swap, ensure Solana is selected at the top. Then tap Select Token to browse available coins. Tap Review, then confirm the swap. If your account is verified and has enough balance, the transaction will go through. So that's basically how you can buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.